Google AI just got a huge upgrade. Upload multiple files at once. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's explore how this changes your AI game. Upload up to 10 files or images in one go and ask Gemini anything about them. Sounds like a time saver? Stick around to see how it works. Google Labs VP Josh Woodward announced on X that Gemini AI now supports uploading up to 10 images or files in a single prompt. Before, you were stuck with just one file per query, which was a hassle for complex tasks. Now, whether it's PDFs, images, or spreadsheets, you can toss them all into Gemini at once. Available on the web, Android, and iOS, this update makes Gemini way more practical for work and creativity. Using it is a breeze. Tap the plus icon in Gemini's text field to open your gallery or file picker. Long press to select multiple files. Shift key plus click on window. Or keep tapping the plus icon to add more. You can mix images and documents, but there's a 10 file cap. Try to upload more and you'll get a message. You can only upload 10 attachments at a time. This feature lets you ask Gemini to analyze multiple documents together, saving you from juggling prompts. Why does this matter? You can now ask Gemini to summarize a batch of reports, compare images, or pull insights from mixed files in one shot. Sure, Notebook LM could do this, but having it in Gemini's main interface is faster and more intuitive for quick questions. It's perfect for students, professionals, or anyone handling lots of data. Plus, it's on all platforms, so you're covered whether you're on your phone or laptop. Josh Woodward's asking for user feedback on X. What features do you want in Gemini? This update shows Google's listening, but what's missing? Video uploads? More file types? Let us know in the comments. What's your dream Gemini feature? And have you tried the multi-file upload yet? That's the lowdown on Gemini's multi-file upload feature. If you're excited to streamline your AI tasks, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates.